decided to show you another mod that will add some sparkle to your trunk by adding a Galaxy Gloss Black vinyl. Make sure you have a dry and clean surface before you start. From my previous videos, I used a rubbing alcohol mixture to prep the surface area before applying a vinyl. The first step is to remove the trunk liner. I removed all the trunk liner clips first using my orange pry tools. I unscrew the bolts using an 8mm wrench.
Let it rain.
I then unplugged the connectors to the camera and the plate lights. This helped loosen the trunk trim so I can wrap the vinyl easily. I figured that because of all the cables still attached, I decided not to remove the trunk trim completely and just apply the vinyl while it's loosely attached to the trunk. Put a masking tape around the trunk trim to protect the car paint when moving the trunk trim around during the vinyl process. Here's the piece of vinyl that I used, which is the Galaxy Gloss Black by 3M. I started laying the vinyl on the flat center side of the trunk trim and worked my way towards the edges. Take your time and work on the bubbles along the way and work on the edges patiently. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer for a final seal on the edges. I used a dry process this time, which means that I did not use a soapy water spray before applying the vinyl, as what I did from my previous video. I hope you like the colorful glitter effect. I'm very new to car vinyling when I did this, so it's a little challenging for me. So to make it look perfect and bubble-free, just take your time and be patient.